yes or no thing. When we start looking at kids, we start thinking about how literate are they? Are they near to this thing, this like university graduate? How creative are you? And for adults, that question sticks with us our whole lives. Some of you will never feel creative, but you are creative. That's just part of being the human animal. And I think from that starting point, you can start to make some really interesting conclusions about what you do with literacy. Now, I'm going to skip right to the end of my talk actually. The big conclusion I want us to all reach is that you can't do creativity without literacy. You kind of need one for the other. And literacy is not a thing which I personally think you should teach for the sake of teaching literacy. Like for example, if we were making tables, I wouldn't teach you woodwork by crafting mitre joints here and planing for a week and then gluing for a week. I'd ask you to make a chair, or I'd ask you to make something for purpose. Kind of like what Anna Goodhand was saying a second ago about the purpose of a project. Now because of that, literacy is like a means to an end, but the end is the important point. Now we did this thing at School 21 called the Writing Mastery Project. It was wild. We worked as a group of teachers across phases, and we had to develop a program, we were asked to, about how to write well. And schools came from all over the place, and it was a 4-week program, and I learned so much, and it was really, really challenging. And we've been asked to